Things are looking bright for BlackSky since it secured the next phase of a U.S. Navy research contract to develop advanced optical intersatellite link (OISL) terminal applications for its Gen 3 satellite constellation. This contract aims to enhance the speed of high-resolution imagery and data transmission between satellites, ultimately benefiting tactical intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. According to Brian O'Toole, BlackSky's CEO, the award supports the company's ability to deliver timely and impactful intelligence that drives decisions at the tactical edge of the front line. The development agreement involves exploring hardware and software design adaptations, novel operating concepts for commercial transport network nodes, and establishing new protocols for data movement. Future Gen 3 satellites will be equipped with OISL terminals compatible with both the Space Development Agency's transport layer and commercial transport networks. This compatibility is expected to provide customers with reliable access to real-time Earth imaging capabilities across various war-fighting scenarios. With the integration of OISL terminals, BlackSky's Gen 3 satellites are anticipated to deliver data to end users 10 times faster than current systems, with data volumes 5 times greater than existing capabilities. Laser-based OISLs enable high-bandwidth, direct communication lines between satellites, reducing data transmission and processing time. This technology also offers a more secure and resilient data transmission path, less susceptible to interference and jamming. BlackSky differentiates itself from traditional satellite players by selling tactical insights rather than just images. Its Gen 3 satellite constellation is capable of capturing 35 cm resolution images up to 15 times daily, with AI-enhanced analytics delivered within 90 minutes, which enables BlackSky to provide high-frequency monitoring and detailed geospatial insights to its clients. A large part of BlackSky's growth was driven by an 82% surge in U.S. government revenue, which now accounts for 60% of the company's revenue mix. A significant factor contributing to this growth is the $1 billion-plus contract with the National Reconnaissance Office (NRO), which has helped BlackSky expand its footprint among U.S. defense agencies and allied governments. The company's ability to control every aspect of its stack, from satellite to software, ensures speed, security, and integration, which are critical in high-stakes intelligence applications. BlackSky's Spectra platform is a key component of its technology, autonomously processing over 1 million daily observations and flagging anomalies without human prompt. These additional capabilities positions BlackSky for significant growth in the geospatial intelligence (GEOINT) market, which is expected to reach $209 billion by 2030. The company thrives in gray zone conflicts and benefits from rising geopolitical distrust of Chinese and Russian technology. Additionally, civilian demand for Earth intelligence is accelerating across environmental, social, and governance (ESG), climate, and logistics applications. With its differentiated infrastructure, sticky government client base, and growing automation, BlackSky offers an emerging defense tech story with multiple structural tailwinds. The company has the potential to evolve into a sovereign, AI-native geospatial leader, providing real-time intelligence and analytics to support informed decision-making. Aside from military applications, BlackSky demonstrated its usefulness in combating crime as it secured a contract to provide immediate on-demand subscription-based Gen 3 and Gen 2 monitoring services for Latin American defense and intelligence customers. The agreement aims to support these customers in combating transnational organized crime by leveraging BlackSky's advanced satellite imagery and analytics capabilities. According to Brian O'Toole, BlackSky's CEO, the company's low-latency, high-cadence monitoring services offer government security forces a strategic and tactical first-to-act advantage. The contract allows end users to set up AI-enabled automated tip and queue tasking for BlackSky's proprietary Gen 3 and Gen 2 satellites. Additionally, customers will have access to BlackSky archive imagery and analytics data, as well as the ability to order third-party commercial constellation data through the BlackSky Spectra tasking and analytics platform. This platform delivers high-cadence, time-diverse imagery and analytics up to 15 times per day, providing decision-quality data directly to senior leaders and field personnel. With rapid, hourly revisit rates, the company can provide persistent visibility into pattern-of-life anomalies such as irregular migration or vehicle, vessel, and aircraft movements. This capability is particularly valuable in operations where responsiveness is paramount and immediate tasking, multi-sensor data fusion, and mission-ready analytics are essential. By providing on-demand subscription-based services, BlackSky is enabling its customers to access critical satellite imagery and analytics when and where they need it most. This flexibility and responsiveness are key benefits of BlackSky's on-demand subscription model. In the very near future, BlackSky deliver more updates since it'll participate in 2 upcoming investor events in August: the Oppenheimer 28th Annual Technology, Internet and Communications Conference on August 11th at 10:45 a.m. Eastern Time virtually, and the Ascencore January 45th Annual Growth Conference on August 12th at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time at the Intercontinental Hotel in Boston, Massachusetts. Both presentations will be led by Henry Dubois, BlackSky's Chief Financial Officer. These events provide opportunities for investors to learn more about BlackSky's growth trajectory and operational outcomes, especially following their earlier conference call for Q2 2025 financial results on August 7th.